Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Pilotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Can I scoot over? Can I scoot over one? Yeah, sure. We're just gonna have Look up on that yellow tab on your right side, the yellow tab on your right. Perfect. Perfect. And just one more time for me about the yellow tab. Awesome. And now everyone hands up, hands up. All right, you're going to put them down. The doors will be closing on your left side, and if you have any loose items, hold on to that. Our fight's going to get you out.
You hold your hand like that. What? You put your hand through your hat like that. I just want to scoot over because if there was nobody sitting beside me.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lifts, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to BATTUU. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Road droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners. We have a breach and attention lock breach.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Pick these two droids anyway.
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen and dead. There they are. Fire! Just follow us. Take the list now. Hurry! No, not up! I said
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Oh my god.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need